Hello, hi, this is Samir here. This is one more video. I just wanted to make a video with one of the youngster who has come from US in practicing the agriculture. As you people know that Samir is from Agronomy Solutions. Agronomy Solutions is all about agricultural activities. We have started a startup from 2019 and it's been developing day by day with all your support and with all love and support by the people who are supporting me. In that, Karthik is also one of the growers. Karthik is a young grower who has come to agriculture, and this video why I am making is to make you people understand people how they are inspired in agriculture. Karthik is from Bangalore and he has bought a land of 12 acres and he is developing and he is full time into agriculture. Karthik, you are basically from Karthik?
Bangalore. I am from Bangalore.
You are from Bangalore.
Yes.
And you have done your?
I have done my diploma in mechanical engineering and I worked for 3 years. And I was there in US for 4.5 years. And
you were there for US in 4.5 years?
Yeah, I studied my product design over there.
Oh, great. Okay.
And I came back.
Okay.
And after that, I wanted to start my own business.
Okay.
And my family was into this. And
so
then,
your family was into agriculture before?
Yeah, not my dad and mom, my extended family.
Okay.
And they showed me how to do it.
Okay.
And I got it.
So the meaning is Karthik, being a corporate guy, has come here just because his grandparents were involved in agriculture. He also wanted to try his hand into agriculture, and now he has become a professional agriculturist. So he has understood agriculture is future. As Agronomy Solutions is all about agriculture is our culture, Karthik has seen there is some future in agriculture, so he started doing a lot of things. Come, I'll explain you how he has started step by step. Now Karthik, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇದು ಅಡಿಕೆ ಗಿಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು Karthik ಈಗ? 2000. See, these are the areca plants what Karthik has bought from us. This is almost 2000 plants what he has bought, and this is थोड़ा इधर cover करो बेटा. And this is the area what he has to थोड़ा सामने. This is the area what he wanted to develop the areca garden. He has a beautiful water tanks as well. He has understood the importance of water. So this is how the journey of Karthik has started now. Since how many years, Karthik, you bought this? 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು Karthik ಈ land purchase ಮಾಡಿ. So this is how it is, and we have sent some of the samplings of coffee also. Come, I'll show you. ಬನ್ನಿ Karthik. So ಈ ಗಿಡನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು Karthik?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ? So these are the seed to our plants what Karthik has bought from Agronomy Solutions. So how the plants, Karthik, ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಗಿಡ? ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು. Are you satisfied with our plants?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And how about our areca plants?
Areca plants are beautiful.
You have to watch there and
Areca plants also is beautiful, and the coffee plants also is very beautiful.
Okay. So Karthik, now what you have done the water tanks, can you just tell our viewers on what calculations have you made a water tank, and how much storage do you have?
Okay, I have the exact calculations here.
See, all of the growers, you have to be serious. He has all the calculations in his phone, and how many liters, how many capacity of water should be there for 12 acres of land. He has done his proper homework and he has kept it in his phone. That's the approach. Approach should be very systematically in agriculture. So just tell the roughly, Karthik, not an issue.
Okay, totally it is 72,35,932 liters.
See, 72,35,937. You can just zoom here. is the capacity, what water capacity Karthik has. So before getting into Areca garden or before getting into Robusta scene to R, you should have a proper water bodies. So like Karthik is in a right direction where he has done his water tanks, as his father was an engineer ಅಲ್ಲ Karthik.
Yeah, he's the one who helped me to build the.
So ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು to
It's all his plan.
Okay. So Karthik is going very systematically. These are the things. Come, let's go to his field and let's go to our Areca plantation as well and just check. This is Karthik's new farm, where he has systematically car shed, his house, his pepper coning machine. So everything is systematically managed. So Karthik, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ?
He's too professional and he delivers on time.
Okay.
And he's always there to guide us. Yeah.
Okay. ಇದು ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದು ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ So how many plants are you planning, Karthik, and how many acres is this? Idhar outa.
This is 12 acres and I'm planning to...
This Areca garden where you're planning, how many plants are you planning in how many acres?
7 acres.
7 acres.
Yeah, but I'm going to increase further.
Further you want?
First I want to start with this.
Okay. So he means to say like first 2000 plants he's going in 2024, and further he wants to extend this Areca garden concept. He has a beautiful Robusta as well. Come, let's go and have a look at it. This is very inspiring for me. The Karthik who has done mechanical engineering, he has worked for years, come down, purchased the land, and hands down approach is totally into agriculture. That's the way, and you saw the calculations of water bodies. That's the way we have to implement a lot of our short-term, long-term vision and short-term strategies. So that's how we have to be calculative about all things what we do in the estate. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ ವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಹಂಗೆ ವಿಲ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಲೂಸ್ ಮನಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್?
Definitely.
What do you say? You have worked in corporates.
It's not a corporate job. As a designer, I used to work on cars and everything.
Yes.
But yeah, you're going to lose a lot of money if you don't use the exact calculation and have a built-up plan to it.
Correct. That's the approach should be there. You mean to say? Come, Karthik. This is Karthik's again Robusta plantation, fully furnished one, where we don't have much of the work here. So we do a little bit of sprays, and now Karthik is going to he's doing his ground manures. Karthik, he has taken the recommendation. Soil tests have been done, and he is doing it very professionally. So what do you have to say about agriculture, Karthik? What is agriculture? How?
That's the future.
That's the future.
Yeah. Everyone needs to learn agriculture.
Okay.
How many people know about it? In our generation. It's very easy.
But most of the people, they say it's very difficult to manage things, very difficult to manage farms. There is a lot of labor crisis. It is it? But we have to overcome it. So what exactly, you can see the camera and tell to the viewers how should we overcome it?
To be honest, I'm still learning about it. It's been only a year. So I'm still learning about it. But in the beginning, it's still a hard part. But further you go, it's going to be easy.
So what do you have to say about our people working here? How they are they professional?
Yeah, they're quick. They're quick enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So no doubt about it.
No doubt.
Are they professionals?
Yeah.
They are on time.
Yeah, they are on time.
You can see the uniformity of the pit, what we're doing. So once the plant goes, the uniform, the circumference uniform should be perfect. ये इसको zoom करो बा. Circumference uniform is must, and it should be almost 2 feet. So this is how we maintain our professionalism. ಇದು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಗಿಡದ ಬೇರು ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಗಿಡದ ಬೇರು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ 2 ಅಡಿ ಆಳ ಇಳಿಲೇಬೇಕು, ಗಿಡ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಮುಂದೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು 1 more ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ HPs ಆಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಆಗರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಆಗರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ले लो बेटा. This is Vertigo 72cc. This is a bigger machine. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. This is 72cc of Vertigo. So this is a bigger machine where you have a bit of 8-inch bit where it's only used for areca net. And here we have this is Ostrich 63. That is 72 and this is 63. Ostrich is bit expensive than compared to Vertigo. So you have lot of options. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ 13,000 ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ 25,000 ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. तो इसको भी थोड़ा zoom करो बेटा. तो the bits are the same. The performance is this is better than this because the CC is more. So you have lot of options in the market where you can you need not depend on one particular thing, one particular company. You will get a lot of options. See which is best for your estate and take it. But ಸಂತು ಈಗ ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು 72 HP ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. But always better to keep a bigger CC machine. So let's see how it works and you can decide it up. Start मारो. क्या है तुम्हारा गुंडी? ऑन करो. ರೆಡಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರ್ಗಳೇ ಇದ್ರೇನು ಜೂಮ್ ಕರುವ, ಬೇರ್ಗಳೇ ಇದ್ರೇನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡಿಕೆಗೆ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋಡಿ 2 ಅಡಿ ಆಳ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ತೋ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇರ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಕರವ ಬೇರ್ ಎಂಥ ಬೇರ್ಗಳಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ 3 kg ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಕೂರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನಿಂಗ್ ಸರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಸಬ್ಬಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಜನ ಒಪ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ವೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ತರೇನು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಅ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಡಿಕೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ 400 ರಿಂದ 500 ಗುಂಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಇದು ಮಿಷಿನು. ಆ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೇರ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಅಂದರೆ 75 cc 72 cc ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಡನ್. ಉಸ್ಕಾ एक पकड़ो. ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಗುಂಡಿ ಹೊಡ್ತು ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮಿಟಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬೆಲೆಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಿಷಿನ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹೊಸ ಕೆರೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋಣ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆರೆದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನು ಈಗ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ.
ಇದು 200 by 100, 95, average 95, 100 by average 22, 21.
ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡೆಪ್ತನೇ 22, 21
ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್.
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಬನ್ನಿ
ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆರೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆರೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ಅಡಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ ರೋಬಸ್ಟಾ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು 1 ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ये थोड़ा कवर करो बा. हो गया? नजदीक सामने आओ. हाँ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್, ಇದರ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್?
ಇದು ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ 200 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 200 ಫೀಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಲೆಂತ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಇದು ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ 95 to 100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್
295
to 100 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 19 to 21 ತನಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
19 to 21 ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ
ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಕೆರೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಡಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ವೇರ್ ಯಂಗಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ದೇ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಇನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಒಂದು 2 ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I don't know much about it. I took lot of suggestion from my cousins and my cousins who stays here and my uncle and they are the one who suggested me how to do it.
Okay.
And I just followed them.
Okay.
And sometimes I think you should just follow few people who are doing it.
100%. And it's really inspiration. Congratulations that like I am inspired by you.
No,
like,
no.
I'm really inspired by you because before getting into the planting, before getting into any thing like what you have done, Andre, you first needige importance kottidalla. That's amazing. That shows how calculative you are, how innovative you are, how creative you are, and like you know what is the stepping stone for the success. So water is the stepping stone as a success in agriculture. That is what I wanted to give you the message, an inspiring story of Karthik. So this is very inspirational.
Again, that's the thing. It wasn't my idea. It was given by few people.
So a lot of feedbacks, like your cousins, your brothers, your family members, your father's support, and all that.
My uncle, my cousins who stays here, everyone.
Okay.
They are the one who suggested me how to take the steps.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he means to say that like we are not only the masters, we are here to learn. We can't think in agriculture that we are the masters, we have to achieve this, we have achieved that. Change is the only thing which is permanent in this world. And we should be ready to accept the changes and ready to accept what's happening in the market. So congratulations Karthik once again, and I'm really inspired by you. I just wanted to show my viewers an inspirational story of you, that like you working outside, coming here, investing here money, investing your time, and showing interest in agriculture. So this is the way we have to get into the agriculture. Thank you one and all. Keep liking my videos for all the updates what we are doing in agriculture fields. Today we have come to Karthik's estate for planting. We have sold 2000 areca plants, and Karthik has been inspired the journey of how we are going through. We are running Agronomy Solutions. Any words for Agronomy Solutions, Karthik? Like
they should come and take a look at your plantation. Everyone should come and take a look at your plantation.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So this is how the approach should be there. Thank you one and all. Keep liking my videos. Press the subscribe button, press bell button, and keep sharing it. Thank you one and all. Thank you.